To Louise Lear. Louise.
Thanks, Simon. Good morning, everybody. Not that much Christmas cheer in the weather forecast, I'm afraid. Yes, it's still raining and there's plenty more to come. In fact, we've got an amber warning out for the southwest, but we've got numerous warnings across the country due to the rain that's going to stay with us for some time today. This has been the story so far. You can see there's a bit of a north-south divide as the rain continues to move its way now towards the Midlands and in through northern England. But it is starting to become lighter and it will start to break up by the middle of the afternoon. So I suspect really across the Midlands and stretching up into East Yorkshire there'll be some wet weather to come. A relatively dry, bright middle of the day across eastern Scotland. The cloud and the rain arriving a little later on. Here's the first signs of that rain at 12 o'clock sitting across western areas of Scotland. Behind it, there's some brighter skies into Northern Ireland. You've perhaps seen the worst of the rain for today. Rain just brushing those western fringes of northern England and across into Wales. It's going to be a grey and wet Christmas Eve here, but we will start to see the rain turning more showery down to the southwest and a slightly brighter and a milder afternoon to follow. 10 or 11 degrees the expected high. We'll still have some rain lingering in the southeast corner, and more importantly the winds will continue to strengthen here as well. Gale force gusts perhaps down through the Channel coast, so that's certainly worth bearing in mind. So you can see that rain and the winds still to clear away. The rain gathers out in the west and gradually pushes its way further east. So it is going to be an unsettled Christmas Eve. Generally those temperatures between 6 and 12 degrees. Now for Christmas Day it looks as though it will be slightly quieter. There will be some showers around, but not the extensive rain that we have been seeing. The showers through the night die back to the coast, so we start Christmas Day on a relatively quiet note, but with southwesterly winds we'll start to drive in these showers a little bit further inland. Not a cold night, maybe a problem with some fog first thing in the morning, and then these showers start to gather from the west and gradually drift their way further east. But I suspect by the middle of the afternoon we will see a slight lull in those showers. They could be heavy with some hail and thunder, but hopefully by the middle of the afternoon slightly quieter theme, 4 to 10 degrees. Boxing Day at the moment looks like the better of the few days over the Christmas period as we get this brief ridge of high pressure taking over. It is a brief ridge because more cloud and rain gathers out in the west, but Boxing Day certainly looks like being relatively dry with some sunny spells coming through. Cloud and rain gathers by the end of the afternoon and starts to push into Northern Ireland, gradually drifting its way further east. So it is a pretty unsettled spell of weather to come. As I say, by the time we finish Boxing Day, we look like this, 4 to 11 degrees with that rain continuing to ease through. I'll be back with you throughout the morning to give you more details.